Well, I'm sure you're watching this video because your kids or grandkids done made some stuff called slime and they got it in their clothes and you can't get it out. Here's what this stuff looks like. Honestly, I guess I'm too old. Why in the world you want to make this? I have no idea. It's just old gooey stuff. I guess it's made out of glue mostly, so that's probably wouldn't want to come out of your clothes. So kids got it in their clothes and we worked and worked, couldn't get it out, and we finally figured out a way to get it out. So today I'm going to recreate it and I'm going to show you how we got it out. Alright, as you can see, I took a pair of kids warm-up pants and I put that slime all over it. Now I probably did a little overkill, but I did it for a demonstration. So first thing we want to do is I put a piece of newspaper and a towel under it just so I didn't make a wet mess on my wife's table. But all it says is just pure distilled white vinegar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the top off and I'm just going to pour some all over. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to best as I can. It's hard to get it, but I'm going to just get the best I can off of it, the big stuff. I got me some paper towels here. Kind of make a mess, try to get the best I can. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to get it good and soaked with this vinegar. Alright, that's what it looks like. Now I'm fixing to go put it in the washing machine. Alright, I'm out here at the washing machine. As you can see, I got it here. Put it in the washer. Got a little Gain, whatever type of soap you want to use is fine. Put a little bit in there. Alright, I got the lid shut. I'm fixing to turn it on. We'll come back in a minute and we'll take it out and put it in the dryer and dry it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Well, it's just finished drying. Let's get it out. Let's take it where it's better light and we'll take a look at it. Well, let's take a look at them right quick. There's the front. There's the back. You can see there's no slime on it. If you remember when I was the first of this video, I got it all over the towel, so I actually did the towel too. As you can see, no slime on either one. Hope this helped you out. If you got it out of your clothes, leave a comment there in the description. Let me know that it worked for you. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.